Garden of Life Coconut Oil in-depth reviews. This product has 4.7 stars based on 2,357 ratings and 301 reviews. 94% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 3% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said you'll be hard-pressed to find something better. Coming from a background where we have been using coconut oil traditionally in our family since our childhood days for hair, skin and a little bit of cooking, I can certainly say that this is one of the better grades of coconut oils we've used in the past. Compared to the others what we've used, this Garden of Life coconut oil is almost a perfect milk white in color, much more softer and creamier when you take a solidified dab and rub it on your fingertips with no hard microparticles, and has a very crisp fresh coconut smell. The other thing that's good about this oil is that all its labeled certifications, non-GMO, organic, certified B Corp for social and environment performance, all check out on the respective certification bodies' websites uses around our home. There is almost an endless list of coconut oil uses in and around the home, and the ones that we use it for and vouch for are as a skin moisturizer after a warm bath, keeps your skin soft and supple throughout the day, surprisingly without feeling oily before shampooing, as a hair oil to keep them soft, manageable, and deal with tangle/frizz, as a homemade vapor rub by adding a few drops of peppermint and tea tree oil, as a body massage oil for our toddler son. I also use it for eczema and hard skin on my elbows, and a little bit of cooking. You should totally try salted banana chips, raw plantain, made with coconut oil. The combination of slightly sweet, salty, and nutty taste is unlike any other. A few things to keep in mind: coconut oil is quite resistant to rancidification, spoiling, and can easily last up to 7 to 8 months even in hot climates. Hence I recommend checking for any signs of yellowish, discoloration, or unusual solidification, mold growth, over time, and when you first receive it, it should last more than a year in a cool, dry place like a cupboard. I like the use of a transparent plastic container for this oil as it allows for easy inspection. Final THOUGHTS: this is quality cold pressed organic coconut oil which has been made by socially and environmentally sustainable means, B Corp certification. And if you're shopping around for coconut oil or looking to try it for the very first time, it doesn't really get any better than this. Highly recommended. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Beware of this seller's products. Beware, beware, beware. This item, which is good for human consumption, came in a deplorable condition. The oil was about a quarter of the way gone because the container had been used by someone. There was no hermetic seal over the product under the cap. Someone had placed a piece of saran wrap over the opening and then just screwed the lid on. Very scary. I don't even really know what is in the jar. Could be anything. Even poison. Scary. That's it.